Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. How's everyone doing? I'm back in the allotment now. I want to see what's happened to the plants. No changes. But let me walk up there. Whoops. Allotment keys. What do I need? I need a chisel. See, last video there was a chisel. I mean, chisel word khoshlam for a reason. Today I have to use a screwdriver. I've got the key for the shed, but the so I'll put the car windows up and I'll hopefully there's no masses about. My Islam yesterday. Comment oh, that my son will Kodu Masi. Bamba. No way. Even today, it's still like itching everywhere there a bit. Oh. I'm happy. I can see something. Gastura Boroise. Yes, even the shortest one, but I say, but Fatah's only gets like. Oh no, this one here. No, it's okay, it's just opening up. Look at that one. But there's no Kodu at the moment. I know what to do. Something, and it's gonna be all good. Oh, the green funny day, I'm a de Daria. Pondi hoya monoa paki haire. Feel much happy today. I don't know why. It's the beautiful weather. Even if it wasn't a beautiful weather, I'll still be happy because that's me. I mean, to funny the monkamar lovely kita khodur gasur maze, and next time I'm gonna get my wife over. Hopefully she'll do her magic or zanita binda day in something hatoin 3G, 4G, 5G, 6G. She'll do all of that. And I forgot to get some fertilizers. Don't know what to use. Tura cow dung na kita na ase. Gufor. Yeah man. Cause I'm ito wadzani. Gufor ase tura gufor itar maze bardimu and hopefully tar magic ho jaibo. To akhorba. So unko ami utinata borse. This bucket. I hope it's okay. It's green water. Can't get blue water here. Unless if you go Devon or something. Look at the blue sky. Sehr sundar. Wow. Can you see the sun? Can you see the sun? Yes, it's up there. Wicked beautiful weather. And yes, every day I'm wearing a different vest. That's why. It's all good. It's cheap and cheerful. If you want to bind it, but I can't because it's not long enough. Like, bunch, you see, this is a big bunch. But, I don't know what to do. Actually, I'm just gonna dig round again. Need some water. Then I'm gonna shoot off. I think I should do that. And going, why is it taking forever to grow? Look at this. This one here. So Sholto and Bolto. Sholto and Bolto don't want to grow fast. But these are cool, innit? একটা গুদা করব বড়ই তো time for me to water it. I said Bismillah so many times already. Funny glacier on the plants, as you can see, about 3 buckets on each. I have to put this up. This one here, somehow I'm gonna ban more on us there. Let's look at that. I have to take this off. Doing this, it's so peaceful, proper shanty. I feel so chillaxed. Huh? This is very cool, mate. You know, doing this every day is gonna become a little hobby for me now, isn't it? Look at that. But obviously, results earlier, I'll feel more inspired. Like, why not come a bit more? Oh, damn, I have to bench un cool fuori che sia patta se fa this one here. Why do you have to come off? Why couldn't you stay up there? Tatto sai na offre. Let me tie it up again. Hopefully ekta fortananko, nkuto isiano. And you're supposed to go up there and start climbing and then like giving some Kodu. Kodu na. Kodu gase Kodu na. I can't believe it. Oh, enough will ekta more gase. I'm gonna block this. Yeah, you need to come off. Because your dad is gone case. Architecture is so good. I'm going to leave it to the expert, which is the Hamida Shuna vlogs. She'll come and do it. Anyway, you guys take care. Thank you for joining me. Assalamu alaikum. Have a nice one. A song for you guys. Zeshmoy ami sok muzi, ami khodur gas deki. Zeshmoy allotment ozai, al khodur khobonai. Where is my Kodu? Come on, man, just do it. Oh boy. Anyway, you guys take care. Assalamu alaikum.